Midea Inverter AC keeps turning off? Here's the real reason. Your Midea AC may be turning off automatically due to overheating from restricted airflow, a full condensate drain pan, a malfunctioning thermostat, or electrical issues like a tripped breaker or low refrigerant. To troubleshoot, check and clean the filters, ensure all vents are clear, and check the drain pan for clogs. Also, confirm thermostat settings and look for tripped circuit breakers. Here are some common causes and solutions. Restricted airflow and overheating. Dirty air filters are the most frequent culprit, as they block airflow, causing the unit to work harder and overheat. Blocked vents or a clogged outdoor unit's condenser can have the same effect. Solution: clean or replace the air filter every 2 weeks. Ensure the outdoor unit and any vents are not obstructed. Clean dirty coils on both indoor and outdoor units, as dirt buildup can prevent efficient heat exchange. Condensate drain problems. If the internal water tank fills up because the drain line is clogged, the unit will shut off automatically to prevent water damage. You may see water dripping from the unit when this happens. Solution: check the drain line for clogs and clear them. Ensure the drain pan is not overflowing. Thermostat issues. The thermostat might be faulty, improperly calibrated, or placed in a location that receives direct sunlight or is near a heat source. This can cause it to read the temperature incorrectly and turn the unit on or off prematurely. Solution: ensure the thermostat isn't in direct sunlight. Verify that timer or sleep mode settings aren't programmed to turn the unit off. Confirm the temperature setting is appropriate, e.g., not set too high. Electrical problems. A tripped circuit breaker or issues with the unit's wiring can cause unexpected shutdowns. A pressure switch may also shut off the compressor if the refrigerant level is too low, indicating a leak. Solution: check your electrical panel to see if the breaker for the AC has tripped. If so, reset it. If the problem continues, it could be a refrigerant leak, and you should contact a professional to check for leaks and recharge the system. Compressor short cycling. A 3-minute protection feature prevents the compressor from starting immediately after being turned off to prevent damage. If you are turning the unit off and on frequently, it may be cycling through this protection mode. Solution: if you have turned the AC off, wait at least 3 minutes before turning it back on. When to call a professional. If you have checked all the above and the issue persists, it is best to contact a qualified Midea technician. They can diagnose more complex issues like a faulty control board, sensor fault, or a significant refrigerant leak.